Hi kids, Mr. Wenstrom here. It's story time. Each weeknight at 7 p.m. I'm going to be reading a new story. Tonight's story is called They All Saw a Cat, and it's written by Brendan Wenzel. I hope you enjoy it. The cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears, and paws. And the child saw a cat. And the dog saw a cat. And the fox saw a cat. Yes, they all saw the cat. And the cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears, and paws. And the fish saw a cat. And the mouse saw a cat. Ooh, he looks scary to the mouse, doesn't he? And the bee saw a cat. Yes, they all saw the cat. The cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears, and paws. And the bird saw a cat. The bird sees him from high above. And the flea saw a cat. There he is, tucked away in his fur. And the snake saw a cat. And the skunk saw a cat. And the worm saw a cat. And the bat saw a cat. Yes, they all saw the cat. Oh, he looks different depending on what animal is looking at him. Yes, they all saw a cat. A child, and a dog, and a fox, and a fish, and a mouse, and a bee, and a bird, and a flea, and a snake, and a skunk, and a worm, and a bat. The cat knew them all, and they all knew the cat. And the cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears, and paws. Then it came to the water. What do you think the cat's going to see? And imagine what it saw. Well, the cat finally got to see himself. Isn't it funny how he looks so different to the different things? Animals that were bigger than him saw him as small. Animals that were little saw him as a monster. Many different ways. And just like in the real world, we can sometimes see the same thing, but through different ways. I hope you enjoyed tonight's story of They All Saw a Cat. And I hope you'll tune in every weeknight at 7 p.m. for a new story time. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, great things happen when we read.